And I'm Alejandra, and for today's show, we have a lot of exciting news lined up to share with you guys.
We sure do, so let's get the show rock and rolling.
Oh.
Spotify Raps have just come out. Who was your top artist of the year 2024?
I'm not sure, but let's see who other people's top artists are.
Hi, my name is Benazir and I'm here with
Xavier.
What's your minutes listened and your top artist?
My minutes listened is, I have 38,000 minutes, and my top artist is...
Hi, I'm Aubrey. I'm here with
Aurora.
What's your Spotify rap? What's your top artist?
My top artist is Slipknot.
And then how many minutes did you listen to?
20,977.
Hi, I'm Benazir and I'm here with
Gabriel.
What's your monthly listen and your top artist?
My monthly listener is Cody Johnson, and the minutes is 70,000 and like 102.
Okay, thank you.
Stay tuned after these commercials.
Hi, I'm Alejandra, and today we're going to be ice skating, baking cookies, and going to see Christmas lights.
Well, that is all we have for today, Scorpions.
Hope you enjoyed this week's show. I'm Alejandra.
And I'm Angie.
Happy holidays!